Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that uses structure in displaying records in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically guys, I'm using dev C as my integrated development environment. It is free to download from the internet. So we have here several comments here, and then we have the library file. The first one is tdo.h for input output, and then stdlib for library file, and then string manipulation. To display a structure, we use the keyword struct employees, and then we several have variables. Car and employees underscore name with the size of 200, and then position 200, int id number, and float salary. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Struct employee person. So the person here in object-oriented programming in C++ or Java is become an object. So we instantiate, no? So the title structure demonstration in C, person ID underscore number 12345, string copy person employee underscore name Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, string copy which belongs to your string.h, the position is software quality assurance engineer, and then the salary of the person.salary, we are accessing the object here, the salary 75,650. So in this line of code, we display the employee's ID number, that is 12345, employee's name, that is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, position, that is software quality assurance engineer, and then the salary with 2 decimal places, and then our program will display thank you for using this software, means that the program has been ended, new line in pause, and then we close the main function. Okay, so I repeat now, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our sample program for free in my 2 websites. Let us compile and run. So we have your structure demonstration in C, display results, employee's ID number 12345, employee's name Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, employee's position software quality assurance engineer, employee salary 75,650, 650.50 centavos. Thank you for using this software. Press any key to continue. It will terminate and then return to our dev C++ environment. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to declare and use structure keyword or command in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.